The message that you want to give to it?
In Dussehra, it is a victory over the good over evil, and if we want our state to prosper, if we want our people to go ahead and look beyond hatred and negativity, then the most important thing is that we have to change ourselves from within. See, the most powerful weapon that we have is love, and if we start loving our neighbors, we start loving our people, our environment around us, we will be able to go to a path of development and brotherhood and unity. So I wish everyone a very happy Dussehra, Vijayadashmi, and I hope that like the good triumph over evil, we also triumph over our internal negativities, our internal evils, and let Tripura, Northeast, there is so much trouble happening in Manipur, in parts of Tripura, in our neighborhood. I just hope that we go towards love and tolerance and positivity rather than anger, hatred and destruction.
In the morning you had a meeting with That's a courtesy or Samajpatis. So what was the discussion? Basically, what is the message from
I
them?
told them that I want love, brotherhood and unity to be spread amongst our tribal society. Also I've said that I did not enter politics to make money, but to give something to my people. And if we can achieve something for our community, well and fine. Otherwise, there are other avenues for us to explore. But if we need to get anything in life, let us not fight with each other, but let us fight together to achieve something. So that was what I told my Samajpatis. And I told them that the only way we can improve ourselves is by accepting each other's mistakes and looking beyond our past and looking towards a better future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.